we got the KTM back from the shop. Why was it in the shop, Ron? We had a little overheating problem going on. Oh, look at all these dogs. Currently, we're out near Silverton. Hi. So this particular area was a very popular school type retreat for the kids for educational purposes. It's been since closed down, so we're kind of winding our way through just to check it. But anyway, back to the overheat problem. So if you watch my last ride, there's a couple points where you saw the overheat light coming on a lot. So, and it got to the point, I went on another ride and it got to the point where the bike actually stalled because it wouldn't idle because it was running so warm. So I don't know if you can hear that the fan is on. What the folks at Adventure Motorsports ended up doing, they've got Mr. Miyagi of KTM Bikes working there, and he found, and I give this guy all kinds of credit because as far as I could tell, he actually went out on his own time to pick this thing up, but they ordered a new temp sensor, and he wasn't happy with it because we still had the overheat light flashing. So apparently there's a sensor that is a fan switch sensor for a Geo Metro of all things that works for it. The Napa part number, in case anybody wants to know it, is FS154 Foxtrot Sierra 154, and he replaced the stock one with that one, which turns the fan on a whole lot earlier. So he did that. Then also had them put engine ice in the coolant system there. So hopefully we won't have any more overheat problems. Now that said, just this morning I had a starting problem. Then all of a sudden it started working again. So I tried it about 3 or 4 times, shut it off, started it back up just to make sure it was going to start. And well, here I am. They attributed that to the LED headlight. So they took out the LED headlight and put a regular halogen back in for me. Because apparently the resistor box for the headlight was creating a signal that would interfere with the ignition circuits. So that may be true, but the headlight wasn't in there this morning when it wouldn't start. So I'm guessing that's not exactly the case, but nonetheless, it started. So Brant and I are out here. We're going to do a little tour of the backcountry, or not backcountry. What is this thing called? Mountain Loop Highway. Jesus criminy. Forgot where I'm at. I'm just so excited to be out here. It's been a couple weeks since I've been able to ride. So, but anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're going to see what's what. So now my understanding is this must be. Yeah, this is the old bridge of some sort here. Sure enough. I don't know if it actually went across the river or if it washed down the river, but it looks to be in pretty solid shape there. Well, the lock. Alright, so update here. We're getting ready to take off, and what happens? Oh! Now it started. It wasn't starting.
You know what? I think you'll be okay. Turn it off and try it. I think you'll be okay. We just got to figure out. Maybe it just needs to bounce a little bit.
It might be the switch here.
Could be.
Okay, well, we'll go with it. Okay, so we're making our way out. We have to see what's up with the KTM here as the day progresses. Make sure I don't tear up the soil here.
Yeah, you want to follow that exact path so it's hard to nail it.
Oh, you hear that fan kick on? Alright, now we're back on the Mountain Loop Highway. The dirt portion. Got the difference between dual sport and adventure bike here. Put it in dirt, excuse me, put it in dirt mode to make the throttle a little bit softer. So as you go over a lot of these bumps and whatnot, you're not jerking the throttle. Like those. I love the 690. Other than the starting problem I got going on. I have every confidence that they took care of the cooling problem. Primarily because I can hear the fan come on often. I'm not going to say all the time, but it does come on. Ooh, look, landmines here. But it comes on way more than what it used to. Good Lord, Brant is gone. He knows this road like the back of his hand though. He's down here so often. And with the rain that we've had, we've got awesome traction right now. No dust, which we love, no dust. Off a little bit here. Sprays up a little muddy water there.
there.
There's an awesome swim hole.
Swimming hole. It's a river.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
what have you. And then my son and I camped right over here. See that berm?
Yeah.
Right there?
That's our little
Down
trail.
there is an awesome campsite.
Nice.
Yeah. Good place. Uh-oh. I wasn't starting.
Now we're both having starting issues.
Here this time, I guess.
All right, let's see what happens now. Yep, no start. So let's see if this works.
Do you have a lithium battery?
Uh-oh, no start. Shit. Guess that little secret's not gonna work. Nah, I think we're gonna be done for the day.
Okay.
Hear the fuel pump turning on.
It's gonna start. Stick it in gear and then move it a little bit and put it back in neutral. Just make sure it's not your starter motor. No, but in gear, make your starter motor turn.
Well, shit.
It's gonna start. Just keep fucking with it.
Well, at least I got this one on camera. And this is also why it was good to get the extended warranty on it. Not that it matters because it's still brand new.
Try pushing your kill switch on and off.
Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna shoot back home. Bring it back in. Motherfucker. Okay, so that's the starting issue I'm having, so we're gonna head it back home and bring it back to the shop. See what's up.